You ever find yourself reliving the same argument in your head? Like it's a Netflix series you hate but keep rewatching anyway? Yeah, me too. And here's the truth. Holding on to stuff, grudges, guilt, regrets, it's not strength. It's emotional hoarding. And just like a cluttered room, a cluttered mind kills your peace. So today we're unpacking a life-changing secret no one really teaches. The art of letting shit go before it eats you alive. Because believe it or not, you can unburden yourself without pretending nothing ever hurt you. Most of us were never taught how to let go. We just bottle it up, smile through it, tell ourselves it's fine when it's clearly not fine. But letting go doesn't mean being cold. It means making space. Space for peace, for clarity, for you. And I promise, it's not about pretending the past didn't happen. It's about refusing to let it own your present. So here's what we're going to break down in this video. 3 real-world steps that'll help you let go without losing yourself. They're simple but powerful. Step 1. We name what's really weighing us down. Spoiler, it's not always what you think. Step 2. We challenge the story we're telling ourselves about it. And step 3. We learn to release, not by ignoring it, but by outgrowing it. Sound good? Quick question. How much energy are you spending holding on to something or someone that isn't thinking about you at all? Hard to hear, I know, but also kind of freeing, right? And here's the wild part. The things we're clinging to usually already happened. We can't change them, but we can change what we carry forward. This video isn't about becoming emotionless. It's about becoming emotionally free. Step 1. Name it. Let's start here. You can't let go of what you won't name. Is it a person you can't forgive? A mistake you made that still makes you cringe? A version of yourself you feel ashamed of? Call it out. Write it down. Say it out loud if you need to. This step is uncomfortable, yeah, but also crucial. Because when we don't name it, it controls us from the shadows. And shadows grow bigger the longer we avoid them. Step 2. Challenge it. Now ask yourself, is this thing I'm carrying still true? Still relevant? Still helpful? Because a lot of what we hold on to isn't even accurate anymore. You're judging yourself today based on a version of you from 5 years ago. Or you're clinging to someone's opinion like it's gospel, when they haven't grown either. Ask, is this belief helping me or hurting me? Who benefits from me holding this? Challenging the narrative helps you see it's not a fact. It's a story, and you have the power to rewrite it. Step 3. Release it now. Here's the hard part. Release. And no, this doesn't mean you snap your fingers and feel brand new. It means you decide that this story doesn't get to run the show anymore. Release isn't a one-time event. It's a process, a practice. You let go in layers. Start small. Let go of needing closure from someone who ghosted you. Let go of explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. Let go of punishing yourself for mistakes you've already outgrown. You don't have to forget. You just have to move forward. Letting go isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing peace over punishment. So if your mind feels heavy, if your chest feels tight, if you're tired of replaying old pain like a broken loop, this is your sign to start letting go. Bit by bit, day by day, because the more you release, the more room you make for clarity, confidence, and calm. You deserve that. Not someday, today. So take a deep breath and start clearing space in your head for the life you actually want to live.